डिअर फ्रेंड्स, आजच्या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स आणि टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. तर लास्ट इयर तुम्ही सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्सची डेफिनेशन स्टडी केलेली होती आणि त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड काही एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही सॉल्व केलेले होते. तर आपण सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्सला सुरुवात करण्यापूर्वी सिमिलर फिगर्स म्हणजे काय ते बघूया आणि मग सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स स्टडी करूया. सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स: if two or more figures have same shapes but different sizes, then the figures are called as similar figures. See these four figures. These figures have same shapes but their size are different. Therefore, we can say that these circles are similar. Are these three figures are similar? In general, we can say that these three triangles are similar. But these three triangles are not similar. If these three triangles satisfied some condition, then we can say that these three triangles are similar. What are these conditions? Last year we studied the definition of similar triangles. Similar triangles. What is the definition of similar triangles? For a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are in proportion, then we can say that the correspondence is similar and the triangles are called as similar triangles. For example, triangle ABC, triangle PQR, their corresponding angles are congruent. We show them the identical marks. Their corresponding sides. See the ratio of corresponding sides: AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 6. Write the ratio in simplest form. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Statement number 1. Then BC upon QR, 6 upon 9 is equal to 2 upon 3. Say statement number 2. And third ratio is AC upon PR is equal to 8 upon 12. In simplest form, 2 upon 3. From these three statements, we can say that the corresponding sides are in proportion. That means the ratio are equal. Therefore, by the definition of similar triangles, we can write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, under the correspondence ABC to PQR, their corresponding angles are congruent. Angle A is congruent with angle P. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Angle C is congruent to angle R. And their corresponding sides are in proportion: AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. And therefore, two triangles are similar. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By the definition of similar triangles. For a given correspondence, if their corresponding angles are congruent, corresponding sides are in proportion, then two triangles are similar. And the converse of this definition, if, this is the important point, if two triangles are similar, if ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then we can say that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are in proportion. Angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. This is the important point. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion. While solving some examples, we use the converse of definition of similar triangles. Now, test of similarity of triangles. In the definition of similar triangles, for similarity of two triangles, the necessary conditions are that their corresponding sides are in proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. Means for similarity of two triangles must satisfy 6 conditions. Out of these 6 conditions, when 3 specific conditions are fulfilled, the remaining conditions are automatically fulfilled. Means for similarity of two triangles, only 3 specific conditions are sufficient. Similarity of two triangles, for showing the similarity of two triangles, we test or check the 3 specific conditions. The group of 3 specific conditions are called as the test of similarity of triangles. We see one by one these tests. Number 1, AA test for similarity of triangles. Angle test for similarity of triangles. Means in two triangles, if 3 angles of one triangle is congruent with the corresponding 3 angles of the other triangle, then two triangles are similar. The remaining 3 conditions, that is the corresponding sides of two triangles, automatically proportional. Suppose angle A is congruent to angle P, B is congruent to angle Q, and C is congruent to angle R. The statement of this test is, for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if 3 angles of one triangle is congruent with corresponding 3 angles of the other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence ABC to PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R, and therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by a test for similarity. If the corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then two triangles are similar. But we know that the angle sum property of triangle, the sum of angles of three angles of triangle, is 180 degree. If we have given the measure of two angles of triangle, then we find the measure of third angle. Suppose the measure of two angles of triangle ABC is given 60 degree and 70 degree. Similarly, the measure of the two angles PQR 60 degree, 70 degree means two angles of one triangle is congruent with the two corresponding angles of the other triangle. Then the remaining third angle automatically get congruent. Okay. Now we can change the statement like this: AA test for similarity. For similarity of two triangles, only two angles is sufficient. Two specific angles is sufficient to show the similarity of two triangles, or two triangles are similar. But the statement of this test is, for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if two angles of one triangle is congruent with the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, then two triangles are similar. Now we can write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence ABC to PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by a test for similarity. Friends, we use AA test instead of AA test for similarity. Now the next test, second test, SAS test for similarity of triangles. See the diagram for this test: triangle ABC, triangle PQR. The length of two sides of the triangles are given, and the included angles of the two sides are congruent. check the ratio of the corresponding sides. AB upon PQ, 4 upon 6, write ratio in simplest form, 2 upon 3, number 1, BC upon QR, that is 8 upon 12, 2 upon 3, means from 1 and 2 the ratios are equal. Therefore, we can say the corresponding sides of the two triangles are in proportion and the included angles are congruent. The statement of this test is, for a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if two sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides of other triangle and the included angle by them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, under the correspondence ABC to PQR, आपण फक्त या टेस्टचे स्टेटमेंट लिहितानाच हा करस्पॉन्डन्स लिहिणार आहोत. लक्षात ठेवा, ॲक्च्युअल प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करताना आपण ट्रायंगलची नावच प्रॉपर करस्पॉन्डन्सने लिहिणार आहोत. मग तिथे आपण वेगळा करस्पॉन्डन्स असा लिहिणार नाही. हे खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. ट्रायंगलची नावं लिहितानाच प्रॉपर करस्पॉन्डन्सने लिहायचे. अंडर द करस्पॉन्डन्स ABC टू PQR, AB अपॉन PQ is equal to BC upon QR and angle B is congruent to angle Q, and therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS test, side angle side test for similarity. Three conditions satisfied, then two triangles are similar, the remaining conditions automatically get satisfied. Then the last test is number 3, side test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if their corresponding sides are proportional, then two triangles are similar. For a given correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if three sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle, then two triangles are similar. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence ABC to PQR, their corresponding sides AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR, that its corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SSS test for सिमिलॅरिटी. तर या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण काय काय बघितलं बघा. इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट नंबर 1, definition of similar triangles, and its converse. If two triangles if their corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are proportional, then two triangles are similar. And vice versa, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion. Then for similarity of two triangles, it is not necessary to show all the 6 conditions of the triangle. For similarity of two triangles, 3 specific conditions are sufficient, and the group of these three conditions are called test of similarity. We see AA test, SAS test, and SSS test for similarity. If you understand these all 3 tests, revise one time and pause video and write in your notebook. Thank you.